Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite friends in the Twist application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page, and then just click on the Add Friends button. So first type in the name of your friend from your contacts, and then you can add the comment or just send this request that is inserted in the chat box, and just click on the send button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.